My name is James. I went to New York Code and Design Academy. I started my own web development agency, and let me show you how I did it. Before NYCDA, I was supposed to play lacrosse in college, but because of injury, I wasn't able to go. I started off as an entrepreneur trying to get into the education tech game, and then I was missing a piece, and I would say that was coding. One day, as I was really starting to consider going back to university or find another option, I came across New York and Code and Design Academy's Instagram, and that opened up a whole world to boot camps that I didn't even know existed, that whole genre. And what I did naturally after that was research all of them in Manhattan. But I came full circle to New York Code and Design Academy. It seemed like it had the perfect combination of rigor and structure, but also helpfulness when it came to their professors. I don't think I could have made this career change in this short amount of time without NYCDA. Self-teaching would have been a long process, and that itself would have taken a very long time just to get my skills, but the forced curriculum and the structure that they give you every day just helps you expedite that learning process. When most people graduate NYCDA, they go into software development jobs for major established firms, and I went off and started my own web agency instead. A web agency is pretty vague. It can be anything from static website development to software development and mobile app development. And so while the rest of my classmates were using career services to help them place and get jobs with other firms, I was going to them and they were helping actually instruct me on starting my own business, and I was able to just bounce ideas off of them and talk to any of their staff about the biggest thing was pricing projects and how to go about that. At New York Code and Design Academy, I learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Ruby on Rails, so I can go in and hands-on and do it myself if I want to. But that also means I can talk to clients. I kind of came in client-facing, working with people, but I can also project manage and work hand in hand with my developers. So it's given me this unique tool to be able to go back and forth that not many CEOs who start their own agencies can. I realize there's no real problems at all. There's always a solution to every problem, and so that's helped me build this business, because every time I hit a roadblock, I know there's another way around it, and it just helps me change my mind and rethink how I'm looking at the problem. So before NYCDA, I was working part-time jobs, living paycheck to paycheck, and now I'm building this company, employing about 3 people, and building this portfolio that's something I never would have been able to do beforehand. I like to work with other small to medium-sized businesses for sure. I really like to help create solutions by using tech. That's the biggest thing I offer now, is how we can help your business run smoother with the code and technology we know of. My first project was this storage company in Manhattan called a short-term stow, where you can just leave your luggage before you check into a hotel. We use HTML, CSS. This is made out of JavaScript. It's a bootstrap website, so it's mobile responsive and mobile friendly as well. We actually adapt to the marketplace and what the marketplace is asking for. So if I can build the project in Ruby on Rails, which is my stack, I will. But right now, React Native, and Node are very hot, and that's what most clients want. "100% NYCDA was worth it. I can't think of a more worthy investment of my time and money for an education. Like I said, it's very hands-on. We're coding projects as our assignments, which is how I learned to a T, which was amazing. So I don't think I could have gotten a better experience if I went to college and studied comp science or something like that. So what I would recommend to bootcamp grads is like build your projects. Like you do have enough experience and enough knowledge to start your own company or build out your idea. So don't be deterred and think you need all this experience. Like you're given a full stack and skill set at these boot camps, so it's more than enough for you to run with. I don't think you need college or business school to start your own company. It really depends on your relentlessness and determination to push through, but also education, you have to value it in some way. Like you have to learn on your own. And so as soon as you leave, like make the world your classroom. I've taken this company and made it almost like my own college or classroom that I probably couldn't get inside of an institution.